Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group objects in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, grouping objects allows you to manage and edit multiple elements as a single unit. It's very easy and it's a simple process. Once you are logged in to your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, you might want to choose the template section wherein you can browse amazing of designs that you can be inspired and begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Now, once you are inside the canvas that you're working, you see this is one object. This text right here is one object. This video right here that is playing is one object. And the photo right here is one object. All right. So I'm going to add another object on the upload media. And this is going to be another object. All right. And for you to be able to group all of them, I want you to hold down the shift key on desktop or your computer, and that's going to be easy, right? Hold that for now and click the objects you want to group. For example, this image first one. Second is the object of text object. The third object is going to be the video, and the another object that I wanted to group is this picture right here. If you release the shift key, what will happen is you have a pop-up that says group, right? If you click that, you would notice on the layers panel, they are all stacked together, all right? And if you want to ungroup all of them, you see they will be stacked down here. And if you click again on the group, they will act as a single unit. It's very easy. Now, the importance of this one is that once they are grouped together, you can now resize them accordingly and make multiple copies of this object. For example, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it here. Maybe make 4 copies of it. Try to click on play to see if the elements have been placed together, right? So you can do all this by grouping the elements or grouping the objects here in Adobe Express. So once you are happy with this, all right, you might want to go to the download section wherein you can download the grouped objects together by selecting the resolution right here. Or if you want to share this amazing design that you have created to your client or your boss, just copy that link and send it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.